Good afternoon and welcome to your SMS Warriors News. Today is Thursday, September 6th, 2018. My name is Noah.
And I'm Michael.
And here are today's top stories.
Before we begin our news broadcast, let's take a look at our Show Your Stuff winners for this week. Before we reveal the answer, let's take a look at the question one last time. The area of a rectangle is 36 square centimeters. Its perimeter is 30 centimeters. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? And the answer is B, 3 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Now for our winners.
Sophia Lopez, Mrs. Wong's class. Ajay Sastry, Mrs. Smith's class. Adithi N, Mr. Travis's class. Karina Pacanati, Senora Diaz's class. Quincy Perez, Senor Guzman's class.
Skylar Kuka, Miss Smith's class. Lily Yao's, Miss Hoy's class. Laura Lohenberger, Miss Wood's class. Chase Woodis, Miss Quires' class. Tiana Ellie, Mr. Barbarino's class.
Krisha Patel, Mrs. Dillmore's class. David Choi, Miss Paris's class. Antonio Cooper, Miss Kelsey's class. Malachi Doler, Mr. Smith's class. Xavier McGill, Mrs. Quires' class.
Brandon Hornback, Miss Lily's class. Madison Mitchell, Miss Hoy's class. Chloe Park, Miss Wong's class. James Lee, Miss Wood's class.
Jasmine Yang, Mrs. Ferris's class. Amir Patterson, Mrs. Kazel's class. Reese Martin, Miss Dillmore's class. Danny Roman and Ethan Rosenblum, Miss Kelsey's class. Congratulations to all our winners, and don't forget to tune in next Monday for our next segment of Show Your Stuff.
As we continue the school year, we want to remind you to be brave, believe in your potential, respect your school and community, always do what is right, visualize your success, and engage and excel in learning.
Now let's take a look at what is being served in the Red Apple restaurant on Friday, September 7th. Teriyaki chicken or sriracha chicken over rice and noodles and California veggies. In addition to teriyaki chicken, the restaurant will also be serving pizza, salads, chicken sandwiches, subs, parfaits, warm chocolate chip cookies, and ice cream for your dining pleasure.
Now let's go to our newsroom with Elijah to see what we can expect from today's weather. Good afternoon, Elijah.
Good afternoon, Michael, Noah, and hello, Warriors. We hope you had a wonderful Wednesday, but now let's see what we can expect from today's weather. It looks like it's once again going to be hot. Our highs will climb up to a warm 91 degrees under partly cloudy skies with a 13-mile-per-hour wind blowing in from the northeast. There's a 40% chance of showers throughout the day. Tonight, our evening temperatures will fall into the 70s, around 75 degrees with a continued onshore breeze and lingering shower or two. Our extended forecast looks pretty much the same, with highs hovering in the upper 80s to lower 90s, straight through Saturday. Evening temperatures will also remain steady, right around the mid-70s for the next 5 days. We do have a chance of rain for each day this week, so make sure you pack your umbrella. You might also want to pack a bottle of water since these warm temperatures are going to be sticking around. Have a great day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Now back to the news desk.
Thanks for that weather update, Elijah. Now let's go to Sienna in our newsroom for today's segment of This Day in History. Hi, Sienna.
Good afternoon, Michael and Noah, and hello, Warriors. On this day in history, September 6, 1915, the first tank for the British military was produced. The tank, nicknamed Little Willie, was introduced by the English during World War I. The British developed the tank in response to the trench warfare of World War I. The idea for the tank was developed in 1914, when British Army Colonel Ernest Swinton pitched the idea of an armored vehicle with a conveyor belt tracks over its wheels to then British Navy Minister Winston Churchill. Churchill was enthusiastic of the idea, the land boat, and a prototype was unveiled in September of the following year. While Little Willie was underwhelming, slow, overheated often, and couldn't cross German trenches, its successor, Big Willie, was more successful and helped the British greatly in battle. Now back to the news desk.
Thanks, Sienna. Warriors, the 2018-19 Sanford Middle School Student Council will hold its interest meeting today, September 6, 2018, in room 2228 from 4:15 p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. All students who are interested in service to our school by being part of the Student Council, either as representatives or officers, should attend. If you have questions before the meeting, please contact Ms. Stewart or Mr. Travis.
Attention all math warriors. Math count tryouts will be held next Monday, September 10th after school, beginning at 4:05 in Mrs. Wong's room, 2220. If you plan on attending, please be prompt.
Attention all singers, dancers, musicians, and entertainers. We need your talent. The Foundation for SCPS is looking for talented individuals for this year's 22nd Annual Arts Alive in Seminole. Auditions will be held at Lake Howell High School on September 25th and Seminole High School on September 26th. Audition applications can be picked up in Miss Paris's room 2127J or downloaded from the website on the screen. Now we have a short video from the Foundation.
Can you sing? Can you dance? Can you play a musical instrument? Then we need you. All SCPS students and employees are invited to audition for this year's Arts Alive in Seminole event. Auditions will be held September 25th and the 26th. Sign up before Thursday, September 13th by visiting the Foundation website or by talking to your fine arts teacher. If selected, you'll perform at the Arts Alive in Seminole event Saturday, October 27th in the West End Lake Mary. Sign up today and break a leg.
Attention warriors interested in joining the Mu Alpha Theta Club. There will be an interest meeting on September 10th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. Any student who is interested in being part of the club should plan to attend this meeting along with your parents. If you have any questions, contact Ms. Giles in room 2231.
Warriors, please remember our school's cell phone policy prohibits the use of cell phones anywhere on campus except the cafeteria and patio area during lunch. Once the morning bell rings, you must have your cell phones turned off and put away. Also, earbuds attached to a cell phone or other device are not allowed during school hours except during lunch. So please make sure you silence those cell phones and put your earbuds away before going to class.
Warriors, as we continue this school year, now is the time to develop your educational plan and set goals that you want to achieve this 9 weeks. Ask yourself, am I heading in the direction that will help me achieve my goals? If not, what will I need to do different in order to achieve success? Now is the time to change your mindset about your future and make sure you measure up to expectations. Respect, success, and hard work can be your roadmap to achieving your future goals. And as always, believe in your potential, respect your school and community, always do what is right, visualize your success, and engage and excel in learning.
Before we go, let's take a look at the snippet for today. Did you know that orangutans have arms twice as long as their legs? Yep, they do, and now you know. Have a great learning day.